Good morning. So we are off to get a new product. I have to have my coffee first. We're going over to CVS, and this new product's by YesTo. And my makeup's done, but my hair isn't for this reason. So we're gonna go over, it is a new shower cap it's actually filled with an essence. I don't know anything about it other than what I've read, so I'm excited to find it and try it out. And I'm gonna try it out on camera and let you know exactly what I'm feeling, what consistency, what's inside of it. I mean, my mind is just imagining it right now because I have no idea. But it's supposed to help with, it's kind of like gonna take the place of dry shampoo in a sense, yet a little deeper. It'll help with, you know how your hair gets itchy? I mean, for me, I color my hair, so I don't want to wash it all the time. So I try to stretch it out like 3, sometimes even 4 days without washing. So if this does the trick, oh my goodness, it's gonna be a lifesaver. Okay, let's try it out. Tea tree and sage oil to help soothe the itchy scalp. We are on our way to do that. Really excited about this. So I'm curious. I don't know. I don't even have my glasses on, so I can't read the directions here, but we will go home and try it out. I'm so not used to this rainy weather. It's been like, what, last vlog, now this vlog, that's a whole week. For SoCal, that's not the case. So it's a little rare for us. So we're gonna go home, get dry, put my cap on, and check it out. So we got it. YesTo. It is the scalp relief. And oh my goodness, does my scalp need relief. Today is the midweek vlog that I do where I go out and I find a product that I've read about that's new to me, but also new. I mean, this I think launched in January, so it's new. I give you my first impression on what I think of the product. So I will say some cosmetics I have to give my initial first impression, and then I go and I wear it for the day because it's hard with certain cosmetics to be like right on the spot, fall in love, or, well, usually if I hate it, I hate it. But to just give it a true review. So this right here, I mean, it's only 10 minutes, so I'm gonna be able to do it right on the spot here. So it says on the back package, so first of all, it's kind of thick. I can feel the cap. It's a shower cap that's in here. And on the back, it says, yes to a breath of fresh air. Oops. Yes to a breath of fresh hair, anywhere, anytime, in a flash. Refresh, condition, and restyle your hair with tea tree and sage oil teaming up to help bring sweet relief to dry, itchy scalp. How perfect would this be for camping? I mean, seriously. How to use. Oh, let me go back. Tea tree used as a natural remedy for thousands of years due to the nourishing and gentle cleansing properties. Sage oil helps balance even the most delicate scalp. Ah, feels nice. So this, of course, is formulated without parabens, SLS, and silicones, safe for color-treated hair. That's mainly my purpose because I color my hair. So I color my hair and I'm pretty gray. I know. My father, just a little history. I've never known him without white hair. So I knew that I was most likely going to prematurely gray. And I have. So I get my hair colored literally like every 4 to 6 weeks. And so I don't want to wash it a lot because then I wash the color out. How to use. Open pouch and remove the essence infused hair cap. Unfold hair cap, place on top of head, adjusting so all hair fits inside the cap. Then I'm gonna massage on the outside to ensure the instant shampoo essence is evenly distributed into the hair. You can take a shower if you want because the cap is waterproof. Get dressed or do a happy dance while the essence washes its refreshing magic for 5 minutes. Remove cap and restyle hair. A quick comb through with fingers will make your do feel fresh, soothed, and new. Lightly blow dry, or you can heat style if desired. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so here it is. It's kind of wet. Oh, it's just like a shower cap. Okay, I'm gonna take off my hair, take out my hair here. I guess. I have no mirror here, you guys, so I doubt I look as cute as she does. Not fair. Okay, so I want to get all my hair in here. Okay, we can start the timer. It's 5 to 10 minutes, and what it does is it says, it smells kind of good, you guys. I mean, it smells clean. I'm gonna massage into my scalp. This is where I tend to get dry, right in the front. I can't even hear myself when I'm doing it. I'm curious if you're in the shower, the steam would like maybe help. I don't know if it says to massage for like the whole 5 minutes. No. Oh, it's kind of tingly. It's kind of tingly, you guys. It might be the tea tree oil. It's hard because I have hair to get at the nape of my neck, so I guess you just got to get down in there. Okay, so it's been over 5 minutes so far. I'm feeling like it's almost like tingly, invigorating on the scalp, so that's good. I kind of like that. If this thing works, they have other ones, which is kind of cool. They have like a moisture mask and stuff like that, which I'd be interested in trying out. The thing for me is going to be after I take this off, how does my hair style? Because this essence is all over it now. And so is it gonna feel yucky? Like, I'm curious what it's gonna feel like when I take it off. I do have my blow dryer here. Dyson, baby. If you don't have one of these, I mean, dip into your savings. Just kidding. If you don't have one of these, you need to try it. It's unbelievable. I've had cheap blow dryers my entire life until this. Thank you to my husband. I'm in love. No one gets to use it but me. Okay, I'm gonna take it off. So, here it is. Oh my gosh, my hair smells good. Okay, so it's not as wet as I thought. My issue is dry scalp, hence why I bought this one. So let's see if it did the job. I'm gonna just like run my fingers through my hair to get it through there. It's a little damp. I see why they said, ooh, I see a little flake there, but that might blow out. Okay, let's try it. I'm gonna do the blow dryer real quick. Cue music, please. It got my scalp pretty good, and I really feel like I washed my hair. There's no like, I don't feel any residue. That's what I was concerned about, but I don't feel it. Okay, you guys, so I'm not seeing, I see a couple flakes, but for the most part, my head is not itching. I kind of like it. I still need to put some curls in it, but I wanted to get the moisture off of my scalp because it did get pretty damp. So I don't think I would let it air dry, personally. I would blow dry it. If I can get another day or two without having to wash it, I'm all over this thing. We found it at CVS. It was $3.99. It is a one-time use only. So, I mean, if you used it every other week, maybe twice a month or something. My scalp feels invigorated. I don't know, we'll see. It doesn't feel, you don't feel any residue, so I love that. My hair actually, I mean, it feels pretty clean. There's my first impression. It's not what I thought. It's not like dripping with essence, but this is gone. I mean, this is wet, but inside, it's like a little bit. Not, my hair absorbed it for sure. So, good job, YesTo. I like it. So grade wise, yeah, I give it an A. I don't think my hair is weighed down at all. It doesn't feel like there's a film at all on it. It's not totally styled, you guys. So take that out of the equation. But it doesn't look greasy around my head at all. I have some volume, and all I did was just kind of dry the roots back, because that's where, when you massage it in, that's where you're feeling that. I think you guys should try it and tell me what you think. Why don't you? Someone try something. I say this every time, but I haven't seen anybody comment that they've tried one of these products. This will cost you $3.99. It'll take away your flakes and itchiness, because my head is not itchy at all. At all, at all. It feels good. And hopefully lengthen the time that you have to shampoo, because that's its purpose. So let me know. Someone join me. Come on, come on. I will talk to you soon. Take care.